record, don't you?
Hey, this is Ben from Welcome to the Science Gamers World, and look what I got. So, this is impressive because I ordered it out of my own money. The story about that is there was a horse racing on about 2 weeks ago, and I made an impressive $50 out of it.
You better explain how you did it.
Doing what?
Doing what?
Selling lemonade on my street. So
It only took him half an hour to make that kind of money.
a little over a half an hour.
Let's open it and see what's inside.
Yeah. I can't get
I'm just gonna say the box is plain white. That's kind of like old metal a bit.
Hey,
Just saying.
that is fired! Wrong way. Look, stop helping me!
Why?
It's because it's mine.
I hate opening a box. So this is the VR box, dude. Like, get it out of this plastic just for good reason. Why is it like so zoomed in? So have my face being haters.
Whoa!
Hey, let me try it on.
Whoa!
Oh wow!
Um,
Ow, got that. Alright, hold on. So overall, oh, there's a bit of plastic on the front. It's sticky tape on. There. It's extra shiny, which is kind of good.
wait. How does
You put your phone into it.
wait? How does it get in?
On the side here. On the side here, you grasp that.
Oh!
Right. You take your phone out, place it in there, and put it back in.
No.
So how much did it cost, Ben?
$16.95.
Oh, that's cheap for a VR.
It's plastic. How long has this been?
3 minutes. So I'm gonna review it for a bit. Which I don't know. What are those for?
I think that's a zoom in.
Oh, okay. So can I just review this for a sec? Zoom in. Zoom in.
That's definitely for just a bit of light.
So
For
the
camera.
overall design for this, I find it pretty welcoming and shiny.
No, the back.
Yeah, and then so the fact that you can just put your phone in and
That's
take
wrong
it out.
way.
Thanks, Ben. Hey, let me try it on.
I'm just 5 seconds. Let me go get my iPod.
So this is what it's like when it's on. My head might be a bit tiny for it, but anyways, I'm satisfied. So, the strap. The strap. It's good that you can tighten this because people's heads probably be too small. I like how it has a zoom effect, and the fact that what's that smell? And the fact that you can open this up and you can see your face. Overall, the design is pretty good.
And
Shiny.
surprisingly, this thing is the only thing you'll see me using when I have a video now. So I
like your
So bye. Thanks for watching, and keep looking at this channel because
we're getting some more videos. Oh, can I just say?
And streaming me playing. No, that's. Oh.
Sorry how I haven't been uploading for a while now. It's because I haven't really been. I've been doing a lot more stuff, lately. I'm
and-
gonna have some videos with friends in it soon. But then other than that, what are you running on that? Crap! I always fell off. So other than that, and after that, I'm going to be reviewing on a uploading on a daily basis again, unless I go back into hibernation. Other than that, goodbye. This is a very short video. See ya.